she found some caterpillar eggs and she wants to make a terrarium for them. I guess they're caterpillar eggs.
We don't really know. So, for step 2, I am putting in some sticks for them to climb on. There you go. Then I am putting some stuff that they might eat, like this. Just placing it all around. That we can eat. And then I got this that we can place in like that. Then I got some of these. I don't know what they are, but I feel like caterpillars would like to eat them. So placing them in. And then I got this. It's like some kind of flower. I haven't bloomed yet, but I am putting it in. Then we got some leaves and more of those flowers. And then we got one more of those things we put it in. Put that in. And then, oh, looks like we got a few more that we can put in. And then,
You gotta hang them from the loquat.
yep, this is if you don't know what a loquat is, it's a Japanese plum. And,
Oh, hold on. Attach the. I cut a little slit in the branch. See if you can wedge them in there. Yeah, like that. There, perfect. Alright, so now they're hanging.
and we'll put them in the dirt.
Okay, that's good. Are they still hanging? Yep. There they are. So, if you guys know what kind of bugs these are, comment. But there's, how many eggs do you think are in there? I don't know, probably 4 or 5 different eggs. Dug the bugs. So we're gonna check in on our bug terrarium and see if anything's changed. Ooh, looks like things have wilted a little bit. But I don't think anything different has happened with these things. No bugs. No dug the bugs. But we'll keep an eye on it every day, see what happens.